Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today the topic to be discussed is percentage. Chapter number 8, exercise 8b, page number 199. Question number 12. Statement of the question is, question number 12, the production cost of a printer consists of the cost of raw materials at $100, the cost of overheads at $80, and the wages at $120. If the costs of raw materials and overheads are increased by 11% and 20% respectively, while wages are decreased by 15%, find the percentage increase or decrease in the production cost of the printer. Now for the solution of this question. Now for the solution of this question number 12, we prepare 3 columns. First one is original cost, second one percentage change, and the third one now cost or the final cost. After percentage increase or decrease जो final cost हो. First of all is raw material. For the raw material, the original cost was $100, and the percentage change is 11%. 11%, and 11% what? This would be added to, because increase, this is the case of increase 11%. And now the new cost would be 111% of this $100, so it would be equal to $111, right? Now about overheads. Overheads cost $80. $80. And over here also is the increase of 20%. So plus 20%, and it would be 120% of 80. It would be $96, right? Afterwards, the third one is wages. The original cost of wages is $120, and in this case the decrease 15% happens, so we will write minus 15%. Then it would be, yes, 15 we'll subtract from 100%, so 100 में से 15 minus किया तो yes 85%. It would be 85 by 100 in multiplication with 120. It would result how much? dollars 102. Right? Now adding up all these and all these, this total cost becomes the cost of printer. This total cost would be $300. $300. Cost of printer are the printer cost. Printer cost. This is the original cost, and after some increase or decrease, the new cost, what it happens, adding up all these, it is $309. Total new cost is $309. अब हमें find out क्या करना है? We have to find out the percentage increase in the production cost of the printers. So to find it out, increase in cost is equal to subtracting 300 from 309, it is $9. Now the required percentage increase, so the required percentage would be equal to 9 divided by the original cost, 300 multiplied by 100%. It would be how much? It would be 3%. 3%. Do cancellation where it is possible and then solve it. ये देखिए, these two zeros are cancelable with this. This is 1 time, this is 3 times, so 3% is the result. Right? This way we have found the required percentage of increase in the cost. Now the statement of the next question, 13. Every year the value of a condominium in Singapore appreciates by 15% of the value in the previous year. If the value of condominium was $899,300 in 2012, find the value in 2010. Now its solution. हर साल जो वैल्यू है इस कंडोमिनियम की, तो वो डिक्रीज होती है, एप्रिशिएट्स, बढ़ती है 15% पिछले साल की प्राइस की निस्बत. तो ये जो प्राइस है 2012 की प्राइस हमें गिवन है, और 2 साल पीछे 2010 की प्राइस हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. Now for the solution of this question number 13, first of all we suppose the value of condominium in 2010 किसी वेरिएबल के अगेंस्ट, ठीक है, let x, let's suppose value of in 2010 is equal to x. Then its value in 2011 would be 15% increased. So may I say 115% of X? Yes, 115% of X we may say. So 115% would be 115 by 100x, which would be equal to 1.15x. Right? Now its value in 2012 now further increased by 15%. So it would be 1.15 multiplied by 1.15 of x. ये 1.15 कैसे आया? This is just like this one, 115%, then this divided by 100, और फिर 15% of this value increased, so 115% multiplied by this value would be equal to how much it is? 1.3225x. And the value of this condominium in 2012 is given to us. What is it? This value is given to us, that this value is $899,300. So value of condominium in 2012. What the value? The given in the statement, that is equal to $899,300. Now its value in 2012 we have calculated this way, involving variable, and this value is given to it. Now comparing these two right sides, equation would be 1.3225x is equal to 899,300. So x is equal to 899,300 divided by 1.3225. Do it calculate with calculator. Yes, how much it comes? X is equal to, it is equal to 680,000. So the value of condominium in 2010 is equal to $680,000. This way we have calculated the value of condominium in 2010, which is $680,000. Right? Now the next question, 14. Statement of 14th question. The value of a surveying machine depreciates by 25% of its value in previous year. If the value of machine was $11,250 in 2012, find its value in 2010. Right? This question is just like the previous question. In the previous question, the value was appreciated. Over here the value is depreciated. Value कम होती गई 25% by every passing year. Now the solution of this question number 14. देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 में वैल्यू एप्रिसिएट होती गई यानी बढ़ती गई, हर पासिंग ईयर के साथ 15% बढ़ती गई, और यहाँ पर इस क्वेश्चन में वैल्यू डेप्रिसिएट होगी यानी 25% कम होती गई, और बाकी कोई फर्क नहीं है, बिल्कुल उसी तरह सॉल्व हम करेंगे जस्ट लाइक एज वी हैव सॉल्व्ड द प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन. लेट्स सपोज the value of machine in 2010 equal to X dollars X. Then it depreciates 25% by every passing year. Then its price in 2011 it would be, जब 25% कम होगी तो 100 में से 25 माइनस कीजिए, would be 75% of X, so would be equal to 0.75x, right? Then its price in 2012, that is equal to, again 75 by 100 multiplied by 0.75x, it would be equal to 0.75 in multiplication with 0.75x would be equal to 0.5625x. Now its value in 2012 is given to us in the statement, that is $11,250. So price of machine in 2012 is, this one is given price, that is $11,250. Now comparing the right sides of these two statements, it would be 0.5625x equal to 11,250. Then solving it just like an equation, x would be equal to 11,250 divided by 0.5625. Now solving it, this x results 20,000. So the price of machine in 2010 is equal to $20,000, right? Now the statement of next question 15. The value of an investment portfolio decreased by 8% in 2010. In 2011, its value increased by 5% of its value in 2010. Given that the value of the portfolio at the end of 2011 was $61,824, find its original value. Now we solve it. In the previous question, the depreciation was the straight, means 25% straight. It was over here as this one 25% straight दोनों सालों में इसी तरह से. And in 13th question, the appreciation was straight 15% every year. In this question number 15, 1 year it is depreciation and in the other year it is appreciation, right? हम solve उसी तरह से करेंगे as we have solved 13th and 14th question. Now its solution. Let's suppose value of investment portfolio in 2009 is equal to some variable X dollars, right? Then its worth in 2010, as this is decreased by 8% in 2010, so the value of investment portfolio in 2010 equal to, as it is decreased by 8%, so 100 minus 8 would be 92 by 100 of X means 0.92X. Now the value of investment portfolio in 2011 is equal to, now this is increased by how much? Increased by 5% of the previous year, so would be 105% of 0.92X. So it is equal to 1.05 multiplied by 0.92X would be equal to 0.966x, 0.9966x. Now its value in 2011 is given to us. वो क्या है? Which is $61,824. Now value of investment portfolio ये कौन सी वैल्यू है? विच इज given value of investment portfolio in 2011, which is dollars 61,824. Now comparison gives us, comparing the right sides of these two statements, it would be 0.966x is equal to 61,824. x find out करने के लिए now 61,824 divided by 0.966. Now do it calculate. Over here x is calculated as 64,000. So the required value in 2011 is equal to $64,000, right? Now statement of the last question 16. Amira is 8% taller than Hugesian and Priya is 10% shorter than Hugesian. Express the height of Amira as a percentage of that of Priya. Now for the solution of this question, let's suppose Amira's height is equal to x meters. Then, as it is mentioned in the question that Amira is 8% taller than Hugesian, so we are justified to say that 108% of Hugesian's height is equal to x meters. Then now 1% of Hugesian's height is equal to x by 108 meters, right? Then 100% of Hugesian's height, that is equal to x by 108 multiplied by 100. After suitable cancellation, it gives us 25x by 27, right? As mentioned in the question that Priya is 10% shorter than Hugesian, so we are justified to say that Priya's height is equal to 90% as 10% less means 90% of the height of Hugesian, and Hugesian's height we have calculated over here, 25x over 27. Now do it calculate. It would be equal to 5 by 6x, right? In this question we have to find out the height of Amira as a percentage of that of Priya. So Amira's age divided by Priya's age multiplied by 100%, right? So required percentage will be equal to x divided by 5 by 6x multiplied by 100%. It would be equal to x multiplied by 6 by 5, and as this x is in the denominator and this is in the numerator, so cancelable with one another, multiplied by 100%, so is equal to 120%, right? This way we have calculated the required percentage. With this solution, now this exercise finishes. See you in the next lesson. Allah Hafiz.